Good morning, students. Welcome back in maths class. Me Nitin Agrawal. Today we will start the exercise number 9.2 of the same chapter, area of parallelogram and triangles. In our previous Zoom classes, we have discussed the theorem, that is the parallelogram formed on the same base and between same parallels having equal area. And one more theorem is there. If parallelogram and triangle are formed on the same base and between same parallels, then the area of triangle is equal to half of the area of parallelogram. So in the same series, today we will start the question number 3 of exercise 9.2. You are seeing here a parallelogram ABCD. In this, P and Q are the 2 points. P lies on DC here and Q lies on AD. This point P lies on side CD and Q lies on side AD. Then in question you are saying to prove that area of APB, join this, APB, this triangle APB का जो एरिया है that is equal to the area of triangle BQC. This, right? So we have a theorem. This triangle and parallelogram both are formed on the same base AB and between same parallels. Because it is a parallelogram, then AB is parallel to CD. Right? So this is the theorem. A triangle, we can write here, triangle APB and parallelogram ABCD are formed on same base the base is AB, same base AB and between same parallel lines AB and CD. Right? So these triangle and parallelogram having the same base and between same parallels. So area of APB, the area of triangle, is equal to half the area of parallelogram ABCD. ये तभी पॉसिबल है जब ट्रायंगल एंड पैरेललोग्राम बोथ हैव द सेम बेस एंड लाइज बिटवीन द सेम पैरेलल्स. In this case we can do this property, area of parallelogram is equal to half the area of parallelogram. Right? Now see, can say equation number 1. Now see this figure again, BCDA parallelogram. Now we are taking the base BC instead of AB. BC base, then BQC is a triangle. BQC. This is the triangle formed on base BC, and parallelogram BCDA are also formed on base BC. So same property we can apply here. The area of triangle BQC is equal to half the area of parallelogram BCDA. Right? So we can write here similarly, triangle BQC and parallelogram BCDA having same base is equal to half area of BCDA. BCDA, this पैरेललोग्राम के एरिया का हाफ, ट्रायंगल का एरिया. Equation number 2. Now we have the half of equal things are equal to each other. Here ABCD, area of parallelogram, its half is equal to triangle APB. And in equation number 2, parallelogram's area BCDA, the whole parallelogram, its half is equal to BQC. So these two are equal, area of parallelogram, and we know that half of equal things are equal to each other. So from equation 1 and 2 we have area of triangle APB is equal to area of triangle BQC, right? These two areas are equal to each other. Now after that, see the question number. Now see this question number 4. You are seeing the figure here. ABCD is a parallelogram, and there is a point P lies inside it anywhere. We join this triangle APB, A to P and B to P, and get the triangle APB and join C to P and D to P. Then triangle CPD is formed. Now, then you are saying to prove that area of APB, this one, plus area of PCD, this, PCD is equal to half area of ABCD. Means the sum of these two areas is equal to half the area of whole parallelogram ABCD, right? This is to be proved. So for this we will use the property of parallelograms, that is the triangle and parallelogram formed on the same base and between same parallel lines, then area of triangle is half the area of parallelogram. See, for this we have to construct a line through P that is parallel to both lines. Give the name E F. Then you have to write here, draw EF through P. Such that AB parallel EF parallel CD. This line EF passes through P, and this is parallel to both the opposite sides, AB and CD. So if ABCD is a parallelogram, then we have ABF is parallelogram and CDEF is also a parallelogram. Okay. Now see, we have triangle APB and parallelogram ABFE are formed on same base and between same parallels. This ABFE is a parallelogram and APB is a triangle formed on same base and between same parallels. The base is AB, same base AB and between same parallels. Therefore, we can write area of triangle APB. Area of triangle APB is equal to half area of parallelogram ABFE. ABFE, its half area of triangle. Now similarly we can write the downside. CDEF is a parallelogram and CPD is a triangle. Then area of triangle is half the area of lower parallelogram. Area of triangle CPD is equal to half area of parallelogram CDEF. Say equation first and second. Now you can do one thing, adding equation 1 and equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. We have area of triangle APB plus area of triangle CPD is equal to half. Having the in both equations, so we can take it common. 1/2 area of ABFE plus area of CDEF. If we add APB and CPD, this is our left hand side, that is to be proved, and ABFE, the upper parallelogram, and CDEF is the lower parallelogram, and after joining they will become the half area of parallelogram ABCD. And on this side we have area of triangle APB plus area of triangle CPD. Right? This is proved our first part. Now we will see the second part. Now see the second one part. This is our first part, area of APB plus PCD. These two triangles, sum of these two areas is equal to half of the area of parallelogram. Now next, in this same question we are saying area of APD. Now triangles are changed here. There is APD plus PBC. These two areas are equal to area of APB plus PCD, the remaining two triangles. Right? The sum of remaining two triangles areas is equal to the sum of these two triangles areas. Okay? So for this we have to construct the line EF parallel to AD and BC instead of AB and CD. जो लाइन हमने पहले बनाई थी जो कि पैरेलल थी AB और CD के, अब हमने उसे रोटेट करा लाइन को और AB और CD के प्लेस पर कन्वर्ट करा AD और BC के पैरेलल. So you have to write here, draw EF through P such that EF parallel to AD and EF parallel to BC. Right, now these three lines are parallel to each other. If these three are parallel, then we have ADFE is a parallelogram, BCFE is also a parallelogram. So triangle APD and parallelogram ADFE are formed on same base and between same parallels. The base is AD right? So by theorem we can write here area of APD is equal to 1 upon 2 area of ADFE. That is equation number 1. Similarly, area of PBC is equal to, on this side, triangle area is half the area of parallelogram, half area of BCFE. Number second. So after adding these first and second equation, we have adding equation 1 and 2. Area of APD plus area of PBC. This area of APD plus area of PBC is equal to, half is common in both equations, first and second. Now see, ADFE, this whole area, and BCFE, this whole area. This plus this together becomes ABCD. Half area of ABCD. So it is equation number 3. Right? Now, if you see this carefully, the equation number 3 and our previous result in first part, that is half area of ABCD is equal to area of APB plus area of PCD, and in this question half area of ABCD is equal to area of APD plus area of PBC. So the using of result of previous question, that half of same things are equal to each other. So ये भी ABCD का हाफ है, यहाँ पर भी ABCD का हाफ था, तो ये दोनों ही आपस में इक्वल होंगे. ठीक है. So from equation 3 and part 1, we have half of equal things are equal to each other. So area of APD plus area of PBC is equal to area of APB plus area of PCD, right? So this is our second part complete. So note down these questions carefully. Then in next video we will do some more questions. Thank you, students.